In this video, I'll show you how to get money back with PayPal goods and services. By the way, if you're a business owner, PayPal might not be the best solution for you, but I'll explain more about that later in the video. To get started, log in to your PayPal account. You can do this on a desktop or a mobile device, and the process works the same way on both. Once you're logged in, look at the menu and go to Activity. This section shows all of your recent and past transactions. Scroll through your activity and find the payment you want to get a refund for. Make sure the payment was sent using PayPal goods and services, since this is what qualifies for buyer protection. When you find the correct transaction, click on it to open the full transaction details. After opening the transaction, scroll down until you see the seller information and customer details. The first step PayPal recommends is contacting the seller directly. Send the seller a message explaining the issue clearly. This could be that the item never arrived, the item arrived damaged, or the item was not as described. Ask for a refund, and give the seller some time to respond, since many issues can be resolved at this stage without further action. If the seller does not reply or refuses to issue a refund, the next step is to open a dispute. You must do this within 180 days of the payment date. To open a dispute, go back to the PayPal menu, click on Need Help, and then select Resolution Center. From there, choose the transaction you're having a problem with. PayPal will ask you to select the reason for the dispute, such as not receiving an item or receiving something that doesn't match the description. Choose the option that best fits your situation and provide any details PayPal requests. You may also be asked to include messages, screenshots, or other supporting information. Once the dispute is opened, PayPal gives both you and the seller time to communicate and try to resolve the issue. If the dispute is not resolved, you can escalate it to a claim within 20 days. When you escalate to a claim, PayPal will review all the information from both sides and make a final decision. If PayPal rules in your favor, you'll receive a refund. Refunds are sent back to the original payment method. PayPal balance refunds are usually instant, while card refunds can take several days or longer, depending on your bank. Make sure to keep checking your PayPal account for updates during the process. PayPal is decent, but personally, I prefer MoneyGram for day-to-day money transfers, especially if you live in the US or Canada. If you're worried about online fraud, they even have physical locations near you where you can make transfers in person. There's a link in the description below to create a free account. But if you run a business or plan to start one, AirWallex is a much better option. You can send and receive money from all over the world, in many different currencies. It's a complete business banking account that goes way beyond what PayPal offers. There should be a video popping up on your screen now. It's a detailed AirWallex review covering everything you need to know. Click the video to start watching.